Are you struggling hard to repair your cracked screen iPhone? Well, it is a delicate device and any kind of repair requires professional assistance, otherwise wrong repair works can cause further damage to the device. But where to find the best place to repair your damaged iPhone at reasonable prices near you? Visit iTech Xpress. It is a certified and authorized Apple products repair service store in Covina. They have a team of highly knowledgeable, trained and experienced technicians who will well diagnose your device and try to figure out the actual reason for malfunctioning. After proper diagnosis, they provide a free repair estimate to you. They always try to return back the device in proper working condition within the same day. They have a great stock of original and authentic spare Apple parts to make the repairing process faster. Their guaranteed iPhone repair service is available at the best prices compared to the other local iPhone repair store. So, what are you waiting for? Immediately schedule an appointment with their expert technicians by dialing 626-777-4747. If you have any further query regarding their services, then browse through their official website https://xpressinc.com/.